I have here an outdoor grill cart. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show what this is and how it works. So it's packaged really well. Everything's wrapped in bubble tape, and it's got some extra foam to protect the edges and the corners. So I got all of the bubble wrap taken off, all the pieces taken out here. Now there's going to be a few quick assembly to get it ready to go. So for the assembly, first thing you're going to do is extend the legs. They snap into place. All you have to do is lift, just like that. Next is going to be the wheels. Using the included bolts here, you're just going to push it through, hold it up, and then tighten it up. It does come with the wrench that you can use to get it nice and snug. After you've got the wheels on, you're going to just flip it over onto its wheels so you can do the rest of the installation. Next is just putting some thumb screws on the storage rack here to hold it in place, and that'll help make sure the legs don't collapse unwantedly. So the next thing is to install this extension board. It's just going to slip right here on top, and then you're going to use the 2 included screws and put them in on both sides. Next is to install the bottle opener right here on the side. Next we will attach the expanding caddy here. So you're just going to flop it open, and then there is a bottom piece built into it that you need to collapse down into place to hold it open and make it stay like that. So it attaches right here on the side to these 2 spots using 2 thumb screws like this. If you want, you can install the collapsible basket right here on the back side instead of the side. Now I'm going to install this felt topper piece here using just 2-sided sticky dots and sticking it to the top of this to help add an extra layer of protection and comfort. So the assembly is all done now. You've got this nice expansion spot. This is all covered with a nice protective layer, and it is nice and easy to set up. And when you're done, you can collapse it down as well. This is super handy. It's nice and collapsible. You've got this side basket. You can pop it open, add some extra stuff here. You've got the side over here that flops open, so you can have an extra spot there. You've got this storage spot down at the bottom here, and there are some hooks on the side to hang your spatula or your tongs or whatever else you're going to be using right here on the side. So I put some stuff on here so you can get a feel for just how big this is. It's got plenty of room, even with this grill on top of it here. You've got lots of space on the side for mixing or doing anything like that. You can have your spices or your condiments sitting in this basket here with tools here and anything extra down here on the bottom. This outdoor grill cart is super handy. It collapses down when you don't need it, so it's going to take up very little space when it's in storage. And it's got plenty of work surface here. It's easy to move around. It's on wheels here. You can even lock these little wheels to help keep it from moving around on you. And you've got lots of space to store everything when you're using it and when you don't need it in the way. To collapse it back down for storage, you're going to need to take off these thumb screws to take off this storage tray right here. And then you can go ahead and collapse the legs. For this side tray, you're just going to flip it over, and then there is a little latch that you're going to swing down and latch it into place right here to keep it from swinging open. So to collapse it down, it does have this nice spot right here to store the basket. Then you're just going to push on that, let it fold down, just like that, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to push and let the other side collapse down, and then there's another hook up top here to latch and keep that from popping open. Now the fun part is this basket is actually going to slip on these 4 pins and latch into place. So So once you get this collapsed down, this is super compact, does not take up very much space at all. It has also got this nice handle right here, so you can take it with you places, makes it nice and portable. You can put it in the back of your car, your truck, take it with you, which is really nice and handy. Also, when you've got it like this, it's all in one piece. Everything is latched together, so it's only this one piece you have to take, and everything will go with it. So there's a nice extra feature that's kind of hidden. You're gonna push this little button, pull the leg out, do the same thing on the other side as well. Same button, you're gonna pull that leg out, and then you can use this like a suitcase and roll it on these wheels. Now I got the wheels extended, you can grab this handle and just take it. I'm gonna go ahead and go store this in my shed for the winter, and we can use it once the weather changes and it's springtime.